Hello everybody, good afternoon, good morning. My name is Vishvadeep and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science Channel for unlimited learning. In this particular session, I am going to talk about previous year gate questions on data structure, more specifically on tree data structure, and this is the part 1. Why part 1? Just because from tree data structure there are so many questions which have been asked in gate computer science, and this is one of the biggest chapter to be asked in gate. Hence, because of that, I have divided the previous year questions of tree into multiple sessions. Among those, today is the first one. So without any delay, let's get started. What we are going to have in this particular session, what kind of questions have been asked previously, and how you are going to solve those questions. I will explain every single thing in this particular session, so don't go anywhere. Stay tuned in this session. Before I start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Vishvadeep, written the gate multiple times. This is my highest rank. Apart from that, I have 119, 440, 682 rank also for GATE Computer Science. My masters from IISc Bangalore, another masters from BITS Pilani in data science to learn the trending technologies. This is the experience I am having, and these are the courses which I have taken on Unacademy's platform. I am taking on Unacademy's platform for your learning. If you guys are learning for free, then one more opportunity you have from my end to learn for free, and that is on Unacademy's platform. You go to Unacademy's platform and search my profile. How can you go to Unacademy's platform? Either you go to unacademy.com or download the Unacademy Learner app and just search my profile Vishvadeep Goti and follow that profile. In that profile, you will be getting lots of free content in terms of special classes. If you want to access those special classes, there are so many special classes which I have already taken, and those classes you are going to access in the recorded mode for free. Might possible if you haven't ever taken or created your account on Unacademy's platform, it can ask you to enter any code for accessing the free content. Yes, to access the free content, it might possible your Unacademy platform may ask you the code. What is the code you will apply? You apply the code VDEEP10. If you apply this particular code will unlock all the free content for you in the recorded mode plus in the live mode on Unacademy's platform. So you remember the code VDEEP10, VDEEP10. This particular code you need to use to unlock free content. Remember the code. ये code आपको free content unlock करने में help करेगा. If you want my all free classes, all the special classes in organized way, just go to this particular URL, and on that URL you will be able to get all my special classes in more organized way. If you want to have the test series, this is the test series we have started, that is for absolutely free. Check out this particular test series is having subject wise test, and you will be able to get all those tests in more quality wise questions. Check out, this is free. Enroll, write the test and enjoy learning. But if you are the person who wants to get maximum marks with even the same amount of efforts which you are putting, if you want to maximize your productivity, if you want that your result should be on the topmost level, then this is the opportunity you have, and the opportunity is Unacademy Plus. Unacademy Plus is the platform we provide to you, so that if a person is working hard enough, then that person can get a particular gate aspirants can get maximum benefit out of that particular hard work. And how you can get that maximum benefit? Just because we will provide you such a platform, we will provide you such a learning, we will provide you such a detailed explanation, including the practice of the questions, including the quizzes, doubt solving, and every single thing. We will provide you such kind of environment in which you will learn best and you will have the best productivity out of your daily efforts which you are putting for your preparation. So if you are really interested to go for the best possible learning, you should join Unacademy Plus. And how you can join Unacademy Plus? To get the Unacademy Plus, you need to use again a code VDEEP10. This particular Unacademy Plus subscription you can get into various months package. You can take a subscription of 24 months, 18 months, 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month. But remember, if you want to have the discount, if you want to have certain benefits, you use the code VDEEP10. This particular code will be used so that you can get discount, plus other than that you can have a direct connection of your preparation of your hard work to my team's efforts. My team means there is a team of 6 members and there is another member going to be included in that particular team very soon. That particular team will help you in the preparation for you. So in your preparation, we will work hard and that particular team's entire efforts will be connected to you if you will be using the code VDEEP10. याद रखें कोड आपको यूज करना है VDEEP10. Okay, for your subscription. If you want another type of subscription in which you want that no, I don't want any headache apart from the study, I want every preparation plan and strategy prepared for me by the expert, then you can go for Iconic subscription. So Iconic subscription has all the facilities of Unacademy Plus another facility of personal coach. This personal coach will give you preparation strategy, and this particular personal coach will be an expert. That expert will make your daily to daily planning so that you will be having a good study planning in which you will be studying for limited time, then too your productivity will be better. The coach will provide you study booster session, will provide you practice sets, extra notes and personalized test analysis, so you don't have to put extra efforts to understand any other things apart from your regular studies. This Iconic subscription also you can get in discount if you use the code VDEEP10, and you can get other benefits also if you use the code VDEEP10. You will be eligible to have my mentorship also if you will be using the code VDEEP10. My mentorship can help you, can nurture you in many ways if you use the code VDEEP10 for your Plus or Iconic subscription. Okay, fine. So if you are fine with these details, then I always encourage my students to have the learning happily, and for that you should have some kind of excitement, some kind of enthusiasm, some kind of energy to learn. And if you have such kind of energy, you need to show it to me. Jaldi se, quickly, you just type down in the comment box if you are ready for learning or not. If you are ready for learning, we will solve some questions of GATE previous years on tree, and I am going to explain you how you are going to attain those questions. Ready or not? If you haven't liked the video, please वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए. एंड हियर इट इज द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. 1987 का क्वेश्चन है गेट का. कंस्ट्रक्ट अ बाइनरी ट्री whose pre-order traversal is this and in-order traversal is this. Now listen, if pre-order and in-order traversal given, can you construct a unique binary tree? Yes. With pre-order and in-order, or with post-order and in-order, you can construct a unique binary tree. So question says unique binary tree you need to construct. Yes, I can do it. Fine. How do you do that? The method is very simple. Pre-order traversal will help you to construct or to get the root of each and every subtree. In-order traversal will help you to get the left and right subtree. Let's start. If you have studied entire data structure, then you can do one thing. You can solve the question ahead of me. You can share that your answer was correct or not, same as mine one or not. Okay, so you also draw, I will also draw. Let's see if you will be getting the correct answer or not. So first of all, Pre-order traversal, we know that the first symbol of pre-order traversal is root. So K is root. Now we will see where we have traversed K in order traversal. Here means before K, whatever we will traverse, that will be the left subtree, and after K, whatever we will traverse, that will be right subtree. So in the case left subtree, we will be having N and L. In the case right subtree, we will be having P, R, M, S, Q and T. Got it? Now with the help of pre-order traversal, we have got the root. With the help of in-order traversal, we have got the left subtree and right subtree. How can you say that? Array, in-order traversal's definition says that first we traverse entire left subtree, then root, then right subtree. That's how I got this distinction. Now for only NL, you need to do whatever we did till now. जो अभी तक हमने किया है वही सेम आपको करना है ओनली फॉर एन एल. जस्ट चेक आउट इन प्री ऑर्डर बिटवीन एन एंड एल विच पर्टिकुलर नोड टू बी ट्रेवर्स फर्स्ट. L has been traversed first, means L should be the root of this subtree. N is root of this subtree. Okay, so K is my root of my entire, is having L as root. Now check, L is traversed here, where N is traversed as respect to L in the in-order traversal. In-order traversal gives us left and right, so N is traversed before L, means N will be in the left subtree of L. Right? Got it? Got it? If you got this, then let's go for the right subtree. Okay, so right subtree, I am having P, R, M, S, Q and T as it is. Now you just check out P, R, M, S, Q, T in the pre-order traversal to get the root of this subtree. इसका रूट वो होगा, that particular symbol will be the root of this right subtree of K, which has been traversed first among all these, and that is M. In the pre-order traversal, the first traverse node is root of the subtree. Let's go for that. So my next step of the tree is this is done. Left subtree of root is done. Right subtree of root is having root as M, very first symbol. If M is the root, in the in-order traversal you will get the left and right. So in-order traversal, left is PR, right is SQT. So P and R should be in the left subtree and right subtree S, Q and T. Same to same P and R के लिए करेंगे. We will do the same thing for P and R. What we will do is, look at this. What is the root of P and R subtree? P and R, which is traversed first in pre-order? P. So P is root. Now as respect to P, R is traversed after in the in-order traversal, so R should be in the right. For SQT, Q is traversed first, so Q is root. Now as respect to Q, S is traversed first and later on T, so S is in the left, T is in the right. This is the tree to be generated for the given traversals. Okay, that is my answer. You can check it out now. This is my answer. Okay, now next question says, mark the balance factor of each of the tree given, on the tree given on the below figure. State whether it is height balanced or not. So I need to calculate balance factor of each and every node. First of all, what is the balance factor? Balance factor is nothing but height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. You can take any definition of height. If you are taking single node height 0 or single node height 1, doesn't matter. Left subtree, right subtree, heights difference will always be same to same. Suppose for this one, whatever left subtree is height, either empty tree height you take -1 or empty tree height you take as 0. This minus this, height of left subtree is nothing, right subtree nothing, means difference is 0. Balance factor of leaf node is 0. Why? Just because left and right subtree both are empty, same to same height, either 0 you consider or -1 you consider. कोई भी definition consider करो. For 5, height difference from left to right is 1. For 15, left and right having same to same height, difference is 0. For 18, difference is 0. For 20, difference is 0. Height is same to same. For 12, height here and here same to same, difference is 0. Height here is 1 more than this, height difference is 1. Is this particular tree height balanced? Yes. This particular tree is height balanced. This particular tree is height balanced. If you guys are getting the same answers, that's amazing. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. अगर आप लोग को same answers आ रहे हैं, that's super amazing. Okay, another question. 1998. It says, consider the tree given in the below figure. Okay, I guess the same tree. Okay, fine. Same tree. Okay. Insert 13. Okay, so this is actually a binary search tree. It's a binary search tree. And what is the definition of binary search tree? पता है आपको? नहीं पता. I know नहीं पता है. नहीं पता ना? पता है तो बताओ. Tell me if you know that. If you know, then just tell me what is the definition of BST. Definition of BST is very simple. For every node, left subtree should contain lesser values, right subtree should contain greater values. So for 17, left subtree entire smaller values, right subtree entire greater values. For any node, this particular thing applicable. Now you need to insert 13, right? Let's insert 13. So 13 should be lesser than 17. Yes, left side. 13 is greater than 12. Yes, so right side. Then 13 is lesser than 15, lesser than 14. So 13 should be inserted here. Show the new balance factors that would arise if the tree is not rebalanced. Okay, so we are not rebalancing right now the tree, and let's check out that what is the balance factor of the tree. So leaf nodes will have balance factors 0 0 0. Same leaf node के left और right में सब कुछ 0 होता है. Now 5 balance factor is 1, 14 balance factor 1, 15 balance factor 1, 12 balance factor 2 minus 3 minus 1, 20 balance factor is 0. For 17, 1 2 3 4 minus 2 balance factor 2. Now what is the question? It says, finally carry out the required rebalancing of the tree and show the new tree with the balance factor on each mode. First of all, you need to check out that where you are having imbalance. Imbalance means the balance factor has gone out of the range. What is the range? Range is 0, 1, minus 1. If balance factor is between 0, 1 and minus 1, in this particular case it is, then you can say that yes, tree is balanced. Yes, of course I have told that tree is height balanced. Now if tree is not balanced, which side you are having imbalancing? You need to check out what is the balance factor at each and every node. Here is the imbalance at 17. From here two direction of towards the newly inserted node. Two direction for newly inserted node. From here, newly inserted node in the left subtree, then right subtree. So you need to apply LR at 17. You need to apply LR at 17. LR is a rotation. If you will perform LR rotation at 17, LR rotation is not a single rotation, it is a double rotation. दो rotations करना पड़ेंगे. First of all, you will perform RR rotation at the left child of 17, means at 12, and after that you will perform LL rotation at the imbalanced node 17. So let's do this. Let's perform these two rotations. First of all, after when you perform RR at 12, what will be the tree? RR rotation means from right to left, this type of rotation at 12. So the tree will be like this: 17, right subtree will be as it is 20, 18 and 24. Here 15 will come as root, 12 will be rotated this side, its left is as it is, its left is as it is. 12's right, or sorry, 15's right will be as it is, 15's left will become right of 12, means 14 uska left mein 13 as it is. Now you need to perform LL. So here you have performed RR at 12. Now you need to perform LL at which node? At 12. LL at 12 means LL at 17, the imbalanced node. LL at 17, this particular node. Through this, rotate the tree in the right side. The tree becomes 15 as root. Okay, so let me make it like that way. Here little bit down, 15 is root, right side 17, 17's right as it is, 20, uska left right as it is, 18 and 24, 15's left as it is, 12, 14, 13, 12's left 5, 12's 5's left 1, right of 15 will go as left of 17. Here 16. This will be the final tree which I will get after the rebalancing. Now they have asked us to calculate the balance factor of rebalanced tree. Okay, let's check it out if balance factor is in the range for each and every node or not. Check करके देख लें, कर लेते हैं if this particular tree is balanced or not. One leaf node, so balance factor 0 0 0 0. For 20 it is 0, for 16 it is 0, for 14 it is 1, for 5 1, 12 के लिए भी 0, 15 1 2 3 1 2 3 0, and for 17 -1. Yes, the tree is balanced. So that will be my answer. Balance factor at each node I have calculated, and the tree after rebalancing, it has become balanced. Are you fine with this solution? All the members who are watching the lecture live, it's a humble request, please like the session. Video को like कर दीजिए. Now the next question is weighted external path length of the binary tree in the figure is. Now what is the path length? I will talk about path length. Path length means from the root to the node, what is the distance? Path length is nothing but the distance from root to the node. Suppose for 2. For 2 I want to calculate the path length from root. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is the path length for 2. For 4, path length is 1, 2, 3 and 4. For 5 also 4, for 7 also 4, for 9 1, 2, 3. For 10 1, 2, 3. For 15 it is 1. Right? Got it? Got it? What is the meaning of path length? Now they are asking the external path length. External path length means only for the leaf node. Only for the leaf node. सिर्फ और सिर्फ leaf node के लिए you need to calculate the path length. Now I need to calculate weighted external path length of the binary tree. For entire tree, weighted external path length will be what? So weighted external path length will be summation of I equals to 1 to k. Suppose we have k leaf nodes. So for each leaf node, what you need to have is this particular weight, whatever the weight of that particular leaf node, into its length or the path length. So what is the Wi? Wi is the weight of the node I, and Pi is the path length of node I. And this you need to do for each of the leaf node. आप कैलकुलेट करके बता सकते हैं कि कितना आएगा. कैन यू कैलकुलेट इट क्विकली इवन बिफोर मी? सो फॉर दिस नोड path length is 4, so my weighted path length will be weight into path length 4 plus weight here 4 into path length 4 plus 5 into path length 4 plus 7 into path length 4 plus wait 9 into path length 1 2 3 plus 10 into path length 1 2 3 plus wait here 15 into path length 1. Can you calculate it? Compute it how much it is. So it comes as 72 plus 57 plus 15. It comes as 144. So that is the answer for the question, external path length. If in the same question they'll be asking for internal path, then you need to calculate such kind of same thing for only internal nodes. Internal nodes means these. As of now the weight is not given, but if the weight will be given, you can calculate the internal path length like this way. Okay, clear, cool, everybody is clear about this. Can we go for the next question? क्या हम अगले प्रश्न के लिए जा सकते हैं? Here it is, next question in front of you on your screen. If the binary tree in the figure is traversed in order, then the order in which the nodes will be visited is. You can calculate the in order traversal directly, or you can go through my dot method. I have explained dot method in my classroom training. What it says, in order traversal says first of all left subtree will be traversed completely, then node, then right subtree. Where the node is traversed? After left subtree, before right subtree. So put the dot after left subtree and before the right subtree here. And after that, what you need to do is you need to traverse entire tree from left to right. So let's traverse entire tree starting from root from left to right, but don't leave the boundary. The dot sequence will provide me the in order traversal. Can you type down before I write the answer? Type down the answer before I write the answer here. Quickly. कर सकते हो जल्दी से. So my answer will be 4 1 6, then 7, then 3 2 5 and 8. This is the in order traversal of the tree. Just check out if you guys are able to get the correct answer or not. Oh, Abhisht got the answer. 4 1 6 7 3 2 5 8. Amazing, superb, बहुत बहुत ही शानदार, superb. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सुपर प्रतीक, नाइस इंडीड, द रॉयल, वाओ नाइस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस क्वेश्चन इज pretty amazing question. Amazing. Why? Just because little bit difficult it is, but once I will explain you, I don't think so you will be having doubts. Okay, I will solve this question using some kind of learning, and those learnings I will give now only, so that you don't have any problem. A rooted tree with 12 nodes has its nodes numbered 1 to 12 in pre-order. Means the pre-order traversal is given as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. And the given, when the tree is traversed in post order, then the post order traversal is what? This one: 3 5 4 2 7 8 6 10 11 12 9 and 1. This is the post order. Now we know कि when pre-order and in order given, we can construct a tree. When post order in order given, we can construct a tree uniquely, right? Pre-order in order, unique tree. Post order in order, unique tree. But here they have given pre-order and post order, so we can't have unique tree. Fine, that is there in my mind. Let's see what exactly they are going to ask. Reconstruct the original tree from this information, and that is the find the parent of each node, show the tree diagrammatically. So we need to just reconstruct the tree somehow so that we can understand this is the tree. Okay, now I will give you a very simple information using which you are going to solve such questions when pre-order and post-order are given. I will give you one example. Look at this. If I have given pre-order traversal like this, A, B and C, and if I have given post-order traversal like this, B, C and A. Look at this. In the pre-order, first symbol is A, so root is A. Of course, last symbol of post-order is A, so root is A. Now just check it out, this one. B and C traversed in what sequence? B and C traversed in this sequence, first B and then C in the pre-order. And in the post-order also, B and C both are traversed in the same order. अगर प्री ऑर्डर और पोस्ट ऑर्डर में, if in the pre-order and post-order some nodes are traversed in the same sequence, like here in this particular example, B and C, and exactly same sequence B and C, understand that B and C should be siblings of each other. From left to right, B and C should be siblings of each other. अब आप बोलोगे सर ऐसा कैसे? आपने तो बता दिया कि ऐसा है, याद थोड़ी रख सकते हम. Of course you cannot remember this, but I will give you the logic also रे बाबा. Logic भी दूंगा मैं. Suppose if in the pre-order B is coming first, C is coming later. I am talking about only this B and C. B coming first, C coming later. There are three possibilities. One is this. One is this. One is this. C can be here, here or here. Now, if C is the child of B, then in post-order traversal, in these two, अगर C B का child होता, if C is the child of B, then in that particular case, C should come first in post-order traversal. After that, B should come. Post-order traversal should have these nodes in the reverse order if B and C are parent and child. But B and C are not parent-child. If those are not parent and child, if those are siblings, then pre-order post-order में pre-order post-order will have same sequence of B and C. एक बार और repeat करता हूं कि if some nodes are traversed in the same sequence in pre-order and post-order, those nodes should be siblings. क्यों? अगर कोई भी एक child होगा, then the order will be reversed in pre-order and post-order. Reverse हो जाएगा like this. If C is child of B, then B is traversed first in pre-order and C next. In the post-order, C traversed first and then B. So order reverse हो जाएगा. If order is not reversed, means nobody is the child of anybody. B and C में से कोई भी child नहीं है, then both are sibling of each other. Did you get this learning? क्या आपको ये learning समझ में आई? Did you get this learning? So I am writing this particular, I am saying this particular thing that if this sequence B comma C, this particular B comma C same to same, then B comma C should be sibling of each other. Did you get that? Everybody, सबको ये समझ में आया? If you got this, then this particular thing will help us a lot in drawing the tree, constructing the tree. Look at this. First of all, root. Root is what? 1. Root is what? 1. How can I get it? अरे first symbol of pre-order, last symbol of post-order, tree बनेगा, root बनेगा. Okay, if 1 is root, now we need to check out something else. Something else. Look at this. Here we have 9, 7 this way. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 is just before 1. 9 is here. 9 is just before 1 and 9 is here. I am going, either you can go pre-order sequence like that way or you can go post-order sequence like that way. Anyway is fine. Anyway is fine. let's take it as that way also. If you will say sir हम तो pre-order से starting में जाएंगे, we will go with this way. Next symbol which you have traversed in pre-order traversal, this 2 should be the root of leftmost subtree or any subtree. जो भी 1 के नीचे आएगा of any subtree 2 should be root. I have drawn as like that way. 2 is root, fine. If 2 is root, where you traverse the root in post order traversal, where you traverse the root in post order traversal. In pre order traversal you traverse the root at first, in post order traversal you traverse the root at last. So if you have traversed 2 after 1 means 2 should be root of some subtree under 1. Fine, I have drawn. Now if I got to know 2 is root in post order traversal before root of some subtree, you have traversed 3 4 5. 3 5 4 should be under 2. 2 के children होने चाहिए 3 5 4. So 3 5 4 should be the children of 2. That's for sure, 100%. I will go for this one, that 3 4 5 3 5 4 whatever the sequence is should be children of 2. Now among 3 5 and 4, confused? Are you confused or clear? What I told, after 1 you traverse 2 means 2 should be root of some subtree. Yes, just because सबसे पहले in pre-order traversal you traverse the root. I've done it. Now after checking out that, I will go to post-order traversal. I know that in post-order traversal I traverse the root after entire subtrees of that particular root. लेफ्ट एंड राइट पूरा सबट्री खत्म करने के बाद हमको मिलेगा क्या? We will get the root. Right. So 2 is traversed after 3 5 4 means 3 5 4 should be the children of 2. Now in which direction I don't know. Okay, let me make it like that way. I don't know which direction, so I am just making it as a child of 2 3 5 4. Now let's go for the next level. 3 5 4, what you traverse first is 3. So 3 should be the root among these 3. Among these 3 should be root. So I am going with the tree like this way कि 3 is root of some subtree. Now 4 and 5 are in the reverse order. 4 5 and 5 4 in the reverse order. 4 5 and 5 4 means look at this. Should I have 4 5 as children of 3 or not? Should I have 4 5 as children of 3 or not? No. Why? Just because look at this. 3 we have traversed here in pre-order first. If 5 4 should be children of 3, then first in post-order traversal 5 4 should be traversed and after that 3. We have traversed 3 first, means 3 is not the parent of 5 4 definitely. So 5 and 4 should be in another subtree of 2. That's why I have kept this. 5 4 should be in another subtree of 2. Okay, I did this. Now again on the next level, for only 5 4, let's check it out. 4 5 and 5 4 in the reverse order. First in pre-order 4, then 5. So I will make it like that way कि 4 और उसके child में 5. Now 5 can be any child. I don't know it's left child, right child or any middle child or whatever. 5 can be any child of 4. मुझे नहीं पता. There is no any distinction that 5 should be left only. But 5 is child of 4. Definitely. Why? Just because pre-order is having 4 5, post-order is having 5 4. 4 5 and 5 4. Reverse order. That's why the change is there. Now, next thing is what? Let's go for the next subtree. So this particular thing is done. Up to 1 2 3 4 5 done. This much is done. Fine. Now let's go for the rightmost direction. From rightmost direction, the last symbol you have traversed is 9, means 9 should be the root of this particular subtree. Some subtree which has been traversed in the rightmost, 9 should be the root. If 9 is root, you just check out 10, 11, 12, and here 10, 11, 12 are in the sequence. So root 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12 and root means 10, 11 and 12 should be the sibling and should be under 9. This particular tree is not a binary tree. ये tree binary tree नहीं है. 10, 11 and 12 should be the siblings from left to right, children of 9. Done. This much is done. Now next level, next step is some middle nodes are remaining. Let's go with those middle nodes also. How we will arrange those nodes? Let's go with this. What are the nodes remaining? 6, 7, 8. Among these 6, 7, 8, which particular node you have traversed in pre-order traversal first? 6. So 6 should be the root. Now where you have traversed 6 here? Yes, at the end, of course. 7, 8 you have traversed in what sequence? 7, 8 here, 7, 8 here. So 7 and 8 should be sibling of each other like this way. Pre-order traversal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Post-order traversal is 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, then 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 10, 11, 12, 9, 1, 10, 11, 12, 9 and 1. Exactly the same tree we have drawn for which pre and post-order are given. Now in-order traversal depends on this particular thing, that this particular 6 should be taken in the left of 1 or right of 1. 11 should be taken in left of 9 or right of 9. Then this 5 should be taken which side, left or right of 4. Multiple trees can be possible, but this is kind of a tree for which pre-order and post-order we have been given. I guess आपको ये question समझ में आया होगा. This is one of the really good question, and if you understand this concept, pre-order post-order में reverse order and same order will give you what, sibling, children and all, then you will definitely nail any kind of such question. Is that clear to everybody? Let's go for the next question. Some of the questions are very easy, like this. A binary tree T has n number of leaf nodes. Find the number of nodes of degree 2 in the T is. Degree 2 means with 2 children. We know that number of leaf nodes in a binary tree is equal to number of internal nodes with degree 2 plus 1 or minus 1 plus 1. So they are asking, they have given this as number of leaf nodes n I2, they are asking plus 1 number of internal nodes with degree 2 is equal to n minus 1. Option B is correct. Is that fine? अरे ये तो कल भी मैंने क्लास में भी बताया है. This particular thing I have explained in my classroom training also. If you understood, tell me you understood. If you did not, tell me what you did not understand. Interact, learn and enjoy the process of learning. Another question. What is the number of binary trees with 3 nodes which have been traversed in post order? Give the sequence A, B, C. Draw all these binary trees. You need to draw all those binary trees which are having post order traversal A, B, C. Post order traversal A, B, C. Okay, fine. I can do that. C, B, A. This is the tree I can draw. ABC is the post order traversal. Fine. I can make little bit change in this. Like this way, A can be the right child of B. Possible. Similarly, B can be the right child of C. So I can have a tree like this also. Post order traversal still ABC. And C, B A post order traversal, still A, B, C. In fact, I can have post order traversal A, B, C here also. A, B and C. So these are the 5 trees you can have with 3 nodes in which you will be traversing the tree in the post order and you will be getting sequence A, B, C. Answer is 5. I have drawn all 5 trees also. Okay, clear. Next question. अगला प्रश्न ये रहा आपके सामने. In the balanced binary tree, in the given figure, how many nodes will become unbalanced when a node is inserted as a child of node G? If we will insert a new node as a child of G, left or right, whatever, then how many nodes will be unbalanced? First of all, what will be the balance factor at G? Either 1 or minus 1. If left side insertion 1, right side insertion minus 1. So it should be 1 or minus 1. What will be the balance factor at C? 2. Left subtree is height minus right subtree is height. Answer is 2. B, left subtree is height 1, 2, 3 minus 1. Answer is 2. At A, left subtree is height 4 minus 2. Answer is 2. At D, balance factor 0, balance factor 0, balance factor 1 here. Left subtree is height minus right subtree is height is the balance factor. And here it is. How many nodes are unbalanced? Answer is B. 3 nodes are unbalanced. Node with value A, B and C. Good, good Bhunesh. Nice, amazing. Superb, superb people, superb. Another question. Here it is in front of you. The question is very simple. Which of the following sequence denotes the post order traversal sequence of the below tree? Post order traversal. Put the dot after the left and right subtree and traverse. So post order traversal will be first this G, then C, then D and then B. After that F, E, A. F, E and A. G, C, D, B. G, C, D, B and F, E, A. Option C is correct. Now see, they have given B, D and D, B. बहुत confusing है. Yes, option C is correct. Very close. B and C options are very, very close. If you will not put a little concentration, you may go for this one, option B. But that's little different. Okay, fine. Another question. Another question. Draw the binary tree with the node labels A, B, C, D, E, F, G, for which the in order and post order traversals result in the following sequence. So post order and in order is given. You need to draw the tree. Can you do that? Yes, of course you can do that. For post order traversal, last symbol is root. What is the last symbol? B. So B is root. If B is root, you just check out where you have traversed B in order here. So before B, you have traversed A comma F in the left subtree. In the right subtree, you have C, D, G, E, C, D, G and E. Check out the post order traversal for AF. F is traversed last, means F is root. F is root, fine. In order traversal, F is here, A is before that, so A is the left subtree of F. Now let's talk about CDGE. CDGE, this one last symbol is D, fine, so last symbol is D. Traverse D last means D is the root. If D is the root, before D you traverse C and after D you traverse in order traversal GE. G comma E. Okay, now for GE you need to draw the tree. Let's draw the tree for GE. Among GE, post order traversal says E is the last symbol, so E is root. Now E, before E you have traversed G, so G is the left of E. In order traversal, okay, post order traversal is having E as the last symbol before G, after G, so E should be root, G should be the left of E in order traversal. So you should have the in order traversal of this is this A, F, B. So they are asking what? Okay, so we had to draw the tree. Okay, we have drawn the tree. Fine, no problem. There is nothing else they have asked. Binary tree ka they have asked this one. Pre-order traversal is AB, BFA, DCEG. Yes, correct. BFA, DCEG is the pre-order traversal. If they will ask, we can go for it. Fine. This is the tree in front of your screen. If you got the same answer or not, just check out if you got the same answer or not. Check out. Check out. Check out, check out, check out, check out. Okay, fine, fine, clear, clear. Let's go for the next question. Then here it is. Here it is the next question. Another question. Consider the following nested representation of binary tree. Fine. XYZ indicates this XYZ indicates in the bracket Y and Z are the left and right subtrees respectively of node X. So the very first thing in the bracket, very first thing is the root, second thing is the left subtree, next thing is the right subtree. So root is the first thing, second thing is left subtree, next is right subtree. Fine. Of node X, fine. Note that Y and Z may be null, okay, or further nested. So it might possible that Y and Z, which are the left and right subtrees, those can be null, okay, or further nested. Nested means they can also have node and their children and so on. Fine. Which of the following represents a valid binary tree? So which of these ABCD options will represent a valid binary tree? Okay, fine. So let's go and try to draw the tree for each and every option. Let's say for option A, what it says. Total complete parenthesis, the very first thing is root, so 1 is root. Next, second thing is left subtree, so 2 is left subtree. Next thing is a bracket, which is the right subtree. So right subtree will have 4, 5, 6 and 7. Right subtree should have 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. Now among this right subtree, which is the first value in the bracket? 4. So 4 is root. Next value 5 is left subtree. Next value 6 is the right subtree. ओहो एक और child दे रखा है 7 also given, means it's not a binary tree. Option A is wrong. It's not a binary tree. Of course not. Let's go for option B. This option B is little tricky, very different. Very different. अजीब सा ही कुछ ऑप्शन गिवन है. Let's check out what this option is given as. First one, 1 root, fine, and then you can just check out, okay, there should be 1, 2, 3. So there should be one more parenthesis here. There is a mistake here. So the parenthesis should be here, and that particular parenthesis is what? Okay, if not given the parenthesis, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 parentheses are there. So we should have one more extra parenthesis somewhere if we are having the next parenthesis here. Here, let's take another parenthesis here. What it says, this is the complete subtree left one of 1, and this is right subtree of 1. Right subtree of 1 is 7. Left subtree is this much. In this left subtree, what is the first quantity? This as root. So what is this as root? 2, 3, 4. This subtree as root, and its left subtree is 5, right subtree is 6. This is the option given. Can we have a subtree as root for some child or some node? No, that's not an option. Subtree cannot be root at all. So option B gone wrong. Option B gone wrong. Subtree cannot be the root, of course. C option. C option, entire parenthesis, 1 is the root. Second quantity, this as left subtree. Third quantity is right subtree. In the left subtree, the very first thing is root, next left subtree, next right subtree. Similarly here, root is 5, left subtree 6, right subtree 7. So this seems to be correct. Seems to be correct. I am not saying it's correct only, but seems to be correct. So option A wrong, option C B wrong, C is correct. We will check out for option D also. हम D option भी check करेंगे. Until we will not check it out, we will not declare that C option is correct only. Okay, for option D, it is root. Second quantity is left subtree, third quantity right subtree. Okay, till now things are fine. Left subtree is having root as 2, its left subtree 3, right subtree null, nothing. Now in the right subtree, first quantity root, second quantity left subtree, right subtree kya? Nothing is given. If nothing is given, I can take as null, I can take something else, but they should give na. उनको देना चाहिए कि what is the right subtree. Why? They have given here na. They have given here clearly that the right subtree of 2 is null. So here they should also give what is the right subtree of 4. If they have not given, then that is half correct answer. No, हम इसकी तरफ नहीं जाएंगे. We will go for option C as the correct answer. That's a half given answer or half given option. That's why we will not go for that one. Okay, clear, cool, understandable. Now listen. Today I am going to have a very special session at 2 p.m. YouTube, same channel, and that particular special session is I will explain you all the cache mappings, its details and everything in just 3 hours. Yes, in just 3 hours I am going to explain you entire cache mapping and its entire detail. A quick revision, a fast one, entire cache mapping in just 3 hours. Cache mapping, why I have chosen that topic? Just because it's a very important and very crucial topic for you to learn and remember. So if you want to remember all the concepts of cache mapping, do log in on the same channel at 2 p.m. and be live with me. Remember 2 p.m. today, after just 1 hour from now, cache mapping entire revision I will be giving you in just 3 hours. Fine. Chaliye, another question. Last post, last in and last pre denote the last vertex visited in a post order, in order and pre-order traversal respectively. Fine. Of a complete binary tree. Okay, complete binary tree. What is a complete binary tree? Complete binary tree has all the levels full, maximum nodes, except possibly last. Last level can have less number of nodes. If last level is having less number of nodes, then the node should be arranged from left to right. Which of the following is true? Last symbol traversed in order and post order are same to same. Last symbol in order, pre-order same to same. Pre-order, post order same to same. None. This I will say, of course, not always. You know why? Why always not true? Just because last symbol in pre-order traversal is something else, but post-order traversal last symbol is always root. Always root. Always root. So this particular option C is gone. Now let's check out some options. Suppose if I am having a tree like this, it's a complete binary tree. Yes, all the levels are complete. Okay, so in the in order traversal you will traverse C last. In order traversal will be B, A, C, and in the pre-order traversal you will be having A, B and C. So it seems like in order's last symbol and pre-order's last symbol will be correct or equal. Post order traversal will be B, C, A. Of course, last of post order traversal will not match with anybody. So might possible in order pre-order. In order pre-order can be same for the complete binary tree, but no, it's not true. If suppose I am having the tree like this way, C is having only single child, leftmost child. What will be? Okay, let me draw it even in better way. A, B, C, D, E and F. Now tell me what is the in order traversal. In order traversal will be D, B, E, A F and C, and pre-order traversal will be A, B, D, E, C and F. In order, pre-order, last symbol matching? No. If the root to the rightmost child, this one, rightmost child of root is not having any right child but having left child, not having right child but having left child, this one, then in that case last symbol of in order and pre-order will not match. Of course post order का तो last symbol root ही होगा, so there is no any checking at all. Post order will be D, E, B, F, C, A. Of course its root not at all matching. D will be the correct answer. None of above is the correct answer. Tell me buddy, tell me, did you understand this much? क्या इतना आपको समझ में आया है? So when such kind of questions are given, what you need to do is you need to put little bit more weight on your thinking level. You need to have multiple such kind of examples so that you can have some kind of better judgment and better conclusion. Look at this, a word says always true, हमेशा true नहीं होगा. Sometimes last in, last pre can be correct but not always. That's why I have gone with option D. Okay, fine. So what is next? Next is, I already told you, we are having 2 p.m. session as a marathon, 2 to 5 p.m. for cache mapping in 3 hours. Complete cache mapping I will explain you in just 3 hours. Apart from that, I will be having another session tomorrow 12 p.m. same tree data structure PYQ part number 2, and another marathon session I'll be having from 2 to 5 p.m. tomorrow, and that particular 2 to 5 p.m. tomorrow session we will be having on data structure. So we will be having 3 hours for data structure, and those 3 hours data structure we will cover 3 data structures. Yes, in 3 hours itself we will complete linked list, we will complete entire queue, and we will complete entire stack, and it's all detail in just 3 hours. तो 3 hours में हम ये complete करेंगे tomorrow and today. So it's gonna be a really helpful session for all of you, all the members who want to join on Unacademy Plus, or listening this particular lecture for the very first time and you don't know about Unacademy's platform. Go to Unacademy's platform, download Unacademy's app, and use this particular VDeep 10 code for your all the subscription, whether you are going to take Unacademy Plus subscription or iconic subscription, or you want to unlock all the free content on Unacademy. Also use the code VDeep10. आपको ये कोड हर जगह काम आएगा. Use this as a discount and unlock facility for multiple facilities, multiple benefits. Fine. Okay, this is the team which we are having, and we are trying to build this particular team as strong as possible for all of you. Help these guys becoming more and more connected with each and every gate aspirants of computer science. So this particular complete package we have brought for you. Share these videos there, these playlists, and these fellas make these fellas more and more and more famous. If you want to have the PDF of this particular lecture and all other my lectures, you just go to this Unacademy Gate CS Telegram channel. There you will be getting the PDF of all the live lectures plus all the announcements from our end. If you want to be connected with us, these are the Facebook pages. Be connected with us on Facebook also officially. Apart from that, we have a family of the YouTube channels from our end for each and every type of engineering requirement. If you have friends in electrical ECIN, then let them know that there is a creative gate channel for ECIN and EE. Apart from that, for mechanical, let them know that this is the channel. For civil, another channel. For computer science, your own channel we have, and this particular channel you need to make visible in front of each and every student who is from computer science should know about this Unacademy Computer Science channel, just because we want that everybody should get a quality education from our end for free, and that's why we have brought these channels. Some other channels are also there, SSC, JE, GS Terminal. You just let the people know about these channels if they require the quality education. Keep sharing the lectures, keep sharing the videos, playlist, and the channel. Subscribe the channel, turn on the notification so that you will get the notification when we will be taking the classes, like each and every session, and keep learning happily. Thank you so much for joining live here, and thank you so much for learning here. Okay, we will see you soon. Till then,